Hi, I'm Emma George. I'm going to be talking about powering your Engel in your car. Every Engel chest fridge freezer comes with one of these plugs. So all you have to do, it's quite easy, is plug it into your cigarette lighter. But if you find you've got a problem with your Engel and it needs a new fuse, all you have to do is take this one out and your Engel will come with a spare thermal fuse and put another one in, which is pretty simple. But if you find that you're doing a lot of four-wheel driving, or so say your kids might knock this out of the plug, it's best to look at a hard wiring solution, which is one of these. This is what I've got in my car. Going over lots of corrugations, it makes sense that I really want to have a good connection in my car so that it doesn't come free and spoil any of the food. So what you do is just take the cigarette lighter plug off, get this one hardwired into your car, and as you can see, it's a bit of a different connection. It's a very solid one. It pushes in and then screws closed like this. So then you don't have any problems at all with the plug coming out. So that's a great solution to keep your Engel in position for four-wheel driving, lots of corrugations, or perhaps if you want to use your cigarette lighter for something else. If you want any information on these products or other Engel products, go to the Engel Australia website.